Hi guys, I'm Sam, an English learner. I want to record 100 English audio podcast videos to improve my spoken English. Today, this video title is China's first electromagnetic catapult aircraft carrier Fujian is preparing for the Chinese naval launch. On the Thursday afternoon, the official Weibo account of China's State Administration of the Science, Technology and Industry of National Defense (SASTIND) posted a high-definition video of the aircraft carries Fujian undergoing side travels along with a captation. We know you have been waiting for this day. Don't worry, take a look at this first. According to the official media reports, the Fujian Chinese Street aircraft carrier with a full number 18 was launched in June 2022. Unlike the ski jump task of the Chinese first two carriers, the Liaoling and the Shandong, it is Chinese first domestically made carriers that use catapults with a full load displacement of more than 80,000 tons. The carrier is equipped with electromagnetic catapults and arresting devices. Since it first sang travel in May 2024, the Fujian has carried out of a series of maritime tests according to the plan. Programs in which equipment commission and assessments of overall opportunity or presentation or suitability. Okay, this is the entire content of this video. If you think I have any errors in pronunciation, please feel free to leave a comment. I will be very grateful and make improvement myself. At the same time, I hope you can give me my video a like or a star or follow my channel, and I will show more content about my oil practice. Thank you.